reactions in solution. The reaction in solution means that is the amount of substance, how to express, that is the present the form of the solution. In a chemical reaction, many of the chemical reaction done our laboratory, they are formed in the form of solution. So how to express it, that is the concentration of the solution or the amount of the substance present, and that's the given the volumes, that is we can express the way of mass percentage, mass percentage or weight percentage, mass percentage or the form of weight percentage. Then mole fraction, mole fraction, volume percentage is also there, we will discuss later that in higher studies, that is next year we can discuss, that is molarity, normality, molality. See, so many things, parts per million, so many things are here. We can discuss here the first, well, mass percentage. So what is that mass percentage? The mass percentage means that is the mass of solute divided by mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent into 100. See, the mass percentage is equal to mass of solute, mass of solute divided by mass of the solution or mass of solute plus mass of solvent into 100. So this is the, we can calculate with the help of this formula what are the percentage of solutions are there. That is, for example, a solution prepared by adding, I will write here, a solution prepared by adding 2 gram of 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of the solute. So you have to calculate the mass percentage of the solute. So mass percentage of A. So mass percentage of A is equal to mass of A. Mass of A divided by mass of the solution, that is given, that is mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent into 100. Here the mass of A, that is 2 gram, adding of substance A, so that mass of A is what, 2 gram, divided by the mass of solute, that is also 2 gram, and the solution is what, 18 gram, that is solvent, solvent is 18 gram, so 18 gram into 100. Now it will become 10 percentage, that is 2 divided by 20, 2 divided by 20 into 100, so it will become 10%. So mass percentage of solution, mass percentage of solution A here 10%, that is 10%. So next, the mole fraction. The mole fraction means the ratio of the number of moles of a particular component, that is the total number of moles of the solution. Suppose a substance A dissolved in substance B, and their numbers of, that is dissolved in substance B. So the number of moles are, we can tell, that is Na and the Nb. Here this indicates the number of moles of that solute A and the number of moles of solute B. So here that the mole fraction can be written, that is mole fraction of A is equal to number of moles of A, number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solution. That is, number of moles of solution means number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So here it will become number of moles of A, so Na divided by Na plus Nb. The similar way here also we can calculate the mole fraction of B. Mole fraction of B is equal to the number of moles of B, number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solution. So it will become what? Nb, number of moles of B. So divided by Na plus Nb. So this is the calculation method for mole fraction. Next is molarity. Molarity, the unit is simply denoted in capital M. So the molarity, the number of usually the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of the solution. This is the definition. That means the molarity is equal to number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. So this is called molarity, the definition. Suppose if we prepare, there is 1 molar solution of the substance, that is NaOH, and we want to prepare 0.2. If you take, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, the sodium hydroxide, and we want to prepare 0.2 molar of sodium hydroxide. So that is 1 molar NaOH means that is 1 mole of NaOH present in 1 liter of the solution. Similar way, that is for 0.2 molar solution we want to record 0.2 moles. So here the 0.2 moles we need, that is NaOH in 1 liter. So here we have to take 0.2 moles of NaOH and make the solution in 1 liter, that is in 1 liter. That means if 1 molar present in 1 liter or 1000 ml, we can say 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 milliliter. So here then 0.2 mole present in, that means 1000 divided by 1 mole, that is 1 mole of NaOH into how much we want to prepare? 0.2 moles. So it will become what? 200 ml. So 200 ml, that means 200 ml of 1 molar solutions are taken, enough to water and added dilute to 1 liter. So the calculation, usually general formula we are using, M1 V1 is equal to M2 and V2. Here M and V, that is mass and the volume of the solution, that is molarity and the volume of the substance. So M1, that is equal to M1 is equal to what? M1 is equal to 0.2. That is we want to prepare that. V1, that is 1000 volume generally in 1 liter. Then M2, that is 1 and V2, because of M2 we have to call, that is 1.0, that is molar concentration, that is 1 mole, that is why we are using 1 molar concentration. Then V2 we have to calculate. So substituting these value, that is M1 is what? 0.2 into V1 is what? 1000 is equal M2 1.0 molar, and the V2 we have to calculate. So that V2 is equal 0.2 into 1000 divided by 1 molar. So this is also molar, this is ml. So molar cancel, the remaining has 200 ml. So the V2 is 200 ml. That is the number of moles of solute. NaOH was, that is 0.2 in 200 ml. That is or 0.2 even after the dilution of 1 liter of the solution. So we can change that amount of the solvent. Okay. Here, calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. So we can calculate the molarity. The molarity formula is what? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute, divided by volume of solution in liter. So here the number of moles of solute is what? The solute is here the NaOH. So 4 gram. Then the mass of the NaOH is 40. So then how much gram? That is in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. So that 4 gram, that is into 40 gram of this. That means mass of NaOH and the molar mass of NaOH divided by that 0.250, that is liter. So it will become what? 0.1 mole divided by 0.250 liter. So it will become 0.4 mole per liter or 0.4 molar concentration. Then next is molality. Small m simply indicate molality. Here volume of solution is liter, but here the mass of the solvent in kilogram. The molality is equal, that is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent. So molality is equal number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Mass of solvent in kilogram. So this is the definition of the molality. We can calculate the molality also, that is the density of the substance. This 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram of milliliter. We calculate the molarity of the solution. We can calculate here. The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per milliliter. Calculate the molality of the solution. So here what are the given? The 3 mole, that is molarity is equal to what? That is molarity is equal to 3 mole per liter. 3 moles per liter. Then the mass of NaCl in 1 liter of solution. So mass of NaCl in 1 liter of solution. So it will become what? Mass of molar mass is 58.5 for NaCl is 58, because 23 plus 30 5.5, it will become 58.5. So here the given is what? 3 mole. So that 3 into 58.5 is equal to 175.5 gram. So mass of NaCl in 1 liter is equal to 175.5 gram. So mass of 1 liter solution, that's mean 1000. You have to multiply with 1000 into that. The given is what? 1.25 gram. So that's density. So 1.25 gram. So it will become 250 gram. So here the density will become 1.25 gram per milliliter. Okay. Then the mass of water in solution. Next is mass of water in solution is equal to what? That is 1250. You have to minus it 170 mass of NaCl. Okay, mass of NaCl is what? 175.5 gram. So it will become 1074.5 gram. Now the molality of the solution. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute. So number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Mass of solvent in kilogram. So the number of moles of solution was 3 moles, right? So here the 3 moles. 3 moles divided by that mass of solution, that is mass of solvent in kilogram is what? 1074.5. So it will become 2.79 molar. That is molality. So this is the molality of the solution NaCl. Thank you.